Hi, my name is Erika Johnson, and I'm a student at Academy of Nail Technology and Arts in the Nail Technician program. I'd say my experience here at Academy of Nail Technology and Arts has been really wonderful. I've felt supported and I've felt more confident in myself every day that I'm at school. I've made a whole lot of new friends, which has been really amazing, and I feel really trusting in myself of where my business will go in the future. I feel like I've really benefited from the hands-on experience I've gained in working with clients who have been coming to the school for a while and being able to find new ways to interact with them while I'm doing a service, as well as practicing with other students or learning about the different life skills I should have as someone who's going to be a small business owner. With the flexibility that Academy of Nail Technology and Arts has, I'm able to find a really nice work and school balance that really works for me. That for me means a lot, and just like making sure that I'm getting my hours in, I'm learning what I need to be, and I'm also able to handle other things outside of school. One piece of advice I would give to someone starting out in beauty school is to be confident in yourself and try not to really compare yourself to what you're seeing on social media and maybe even what other people at the school are doing already, because everybody's on a different journey, whether it's on the education side, on the practical doing it side. Just be confident in what you're doing and see your vision in your head, and don't worry about how it looks while you're doing it, worry about how you're going to make it in the future.